We'll guide you through how to find the best Paint.net plugins. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Paint.net website. Once there, click on the forum link in the menu to access the community section where users share plugins. In the forum, look for the Plugins Publishing Only section. This is where you'll find a collection of plugins that users have created and shared. Click on this section to explore the different threads. Each thread usually contains a plugin, along with a description and sometimes screenshots showing what it does. You can scroll through and see which plugins catch your interest. When you find a plugin you want, click into the thread to get more details. Often, you'll see a download link or instructions on how to install it. Download the plugin file, which is usually a DLL file. Once downloaded, you'll need to place this file into the Paint.net effects folder, which you can find by going to the directory where Paint.net is installed on your computer. This is typically in the Program Files directory. After placing the file in the effects folder, restart Paint.net to load the new plugin. You should now see the new effect or tool in the Programs menu. If you're unsure which plugins to choose, some popular ones include the Feather plugin for softening edges, or the Seamless Texture Maker for creating textures. These plugins can significantly enhance your Paint.net experience by adding new capabilities. Don't hesitate to experiment with different plugins to see which ones suit your needs best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.